Boom. What's going on, YouTube? America's back here, bringing you guys another video today. This time we got my 3 Series BMW right here, and we're gonna give a quick video. Gonna go on a little tour. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be a great video, guys. As you can see, nice beautiful Monaco blue, and yeah, let's get it started. Boom. What's going on, guys? Back in the cockpit. As you can see, I fixed my door handle. I got a steering wheel. My dashboard is still a Christmas tree, but my car still drives like $1 million. Oh man, that first gear pull feels pretty good. Or second gear, I don't even know what gear that was. But guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of just road. I mean, this is probably one of the most just affluent neighborhood roads I've seen. Like, just mansions everywhere, like mansions everywhere. I mean, look at that house. I mean, that was beautiful. And I love this type of road. It's like a 1-lane type road. You know, where it doesn't have like the markings on it. You share the road. I like that. But guys, look right here. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It's bright and early on a Sunday morning. No one's up doing anything. But this is gonna be a great time to make a video. Look at that house. That thing is just sweet looking. But guys, I hope you are watching my other content. I've been so happy making content. It's actually been a really, you know, big boost on my mental health. I love creating you know, stuff for you guys to watch, and I love when you guys react saying, you know, you liked it, or, you know, it was a fire video. That really means a lot to me personally. So shout out to everyone watching the Murderkiss channel. You guys are awesome. But we'll stop at the stop sign, we'll go right, check out this side of the street. More houses. We'll see how crazy they get. Not too many McMansions. Let's see this one. Yeah, like that. I love that one. That one has a nice yard as well. And yeah, these are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love that one. Look at that one. But yeah, guys, as you can see, my car is running really good, really smooth. I got a transmission fluid change, oil fluid change. I've added liquid moly products. I've also added some fuel injector cleaner from liquid moly. I highly suggest it for your E90, N52, N51, N54, N55, V58. I mean, the liquid moly products are really good when you do your maintenance intervals. But got front and rear brakes relatively new, and you know, I have the F30 rims on, so they have less than 100,000 miles on these sets of rims. Very smooth. I want to put my stock rims that I bought the car with on. One of them cracked, so that's why I ended up getting the F30 rims. But my shout out to my dad, he got someone to weld them. I really appreciate that. So that is what's going on. And yeah, I love this road. I mean, there's a lot of vegetation, and it just looks really pretty to drive through. I mean, this is one of the most prettiest drives, in my opinion. I love the trees. But yeah, guys, I hope everyone's doing well watching this. I for sure am. You know, like I said, go watch some of the stuff I've been posting. It's been absolutely a thrill to, you know, produce and create all that stuff. So be sure to check all that good stuff out. And we'll just have to follow this biker down. But yeah, guys, beautiful morning. I mean, absolutely just gorgeous morning. The birds are chirping and the weather is like pretty much perfect. for the most part. But yeah guys, comment down below what your favorite, you know, stuff I've been posting. I did like a rev contest I attended. That was pretty cool. It was permitted and all that, so that was really nice. I'm gonna go straight. But yeah guys, this road is like ultimate back road, honestly, and it's very comfortable going in my 3 Series through this. It loves back roads, this 3 Series. There's actually another road that I will do a video on, especially when I go to Katie's Cars and Coffee. I didn't have my GoPro, unfortunately. It wasn't charged to the point where I could film a full video. But I went to Katie's Cars and Coffee recently, which is one of the best supercar meets in the DMV area, which is where I'm located right now. So go check that out. But you drive on Falls Road, or it's like Great Falls area, and I swear it's one of the most scenic, most beautiful roads I've driven on. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know, this is a great one too. A lot of bikers though, which kind of kill it, but it's whatever. I should do a biking video, honestly. But yeah, I hear that N52 roar. That's such a good pull. Wow. But like I was saying guys, this is one of the most beautiful areas I've been in. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the scenery and I love the just everything. It's such a gorgeous drive, and you know, I'm glad you guys can enjoy this drive with me. So please help my channel out, subscribe if you guys are new, like this video, comment down below, show some love. But keep going a little bit longer. But yeah guys, I have big plans. I'm trying to get to 10K subscribers. Help my channel out. We are gonna get there. But we're just cruising. I love how I had that fixed. I mean, it's added such a nice touch to the car, having that handle fixed. It was so ugly. And I'm a little embarrassed because I have so many videos with that armrest not fixed. And I mean, it's a world difference when you change it interior wise. Even my friends and stuff would comment, and you know, like girls or whatever, guys and girls, whatever, whoever I was with would always comment on the door handle being like, you know, like what is wrong with that? But just check out my past videos if you don't know what I'm talking about. It was pretty gross. I had like duct taped it and it was like sticky. But this car has been absolutely phenomenal. I might do a giveaway, guys, once I get like maybe 10,000, maybe 100,000, 10,000 subscribers. We'll see how generous I'm feeling, but I do want to upgrade my car. Comment down below what car Murderkiss should get next. I mean, this E90 was an absolute like home run in my heart. I mean, this car definitely has a special place in my heart. I've driven the C300. This poops on the C300 of the same year. And I've yet to drive the 2012 models, 2014, 2016, 2018, 2020 models of the 3 Series. But this is by far way better than the C300 in terms of sportiness, styling, in my opinion. I mean, it's just BMW nailed it with this E90 generation, E9X generation. And you know, there's so many lovers of this chassis online, and the forums are awesome. So if you're ever interested in getting one of these, I highly recommend it. BMW is awesome. Perfect blend of sportiness and luxury, which is like what I want in a car. I want luxury and I want sportiness, and this nails both very well. And it's comfortable too when I want it to be. But nice little pool right here. That feels good. That feels good. But yeah, guys, this was a wonderful video. I'm actually so glad I got to film it and you know, make content with you guys. So I'm just gonna you know, maybe stop it right here, but make sure you show my channel some love. Check out my other stuff. Love you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you guys soon. Marcus is out. Peace.
So why is it so hard to let you go?